Okay, here we have Marilyn and Robbie. Robbie came in for some postherpetic neuralgia for his head, and we treated it with stem cells and laser, and it's pretty much resolved, correct?
Yes, it
Yeah.
is.
And Marilyn came in about a year ago, and yeah, Marilyn came in a year ago. She had a lot of vision problems. It was macular degeneration, correct?
Oh, was it? I had a stroke.
You had a stroke, and that caused your vision to, really fail. And we decided to do the laser stem cell signaling, and we added the CAN-C peptide drop. So 1 year later, what improvements have you noticed in your vision?
Before I couldn't even read. Everything's put together. Now, if I kind of get my head and my arms the right angles, I can read a couple of lines.
Okay.
I'm not ready to pick up a book and read it. But, But I can, short term, I guess that's probably the best way to say it. Short-term vision is there.
Okay. So you could read something and remember what you read.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And so how many percent better is the vision 1 year after the treatment?
Well, we're thinking probably 40%.
Okay. And Robbie, what have you noticed in Marilyn? You could tell she's reading signs better, or
she's definitely doing better than she was.
Okay.
And I think it's getting better all the time.
Great.
Now, do you want me to continue with the CAN-C drops?
Yeah, let's continue with the CAN-C peptide drops, and we'll do another follow-up in about 3 months just to see how her progress is going. Well, I'm glad that it's working out. We just got to continue to get the peptides in the eyes, and then we can even get better vision back, okay? All right?
That would be great.
All right, you take care. All right.
Thank you.